Hello, I'm Desi Boland and I work at the Kentucky Valley Educational Cooperative, and we're here today with Mr. Tommy Judd from Lee County, and he's going to take us on a tour of our Lee County tiny home.
And like she said, I'm Tommy Judd and I teach carpentry here at Lee County Area Technology Center. And we've been working on this project with the COVID, it's taken us 2 years, but we finally got it done. We're going to go through and show you a few things. It has the paneling. It is wood paneling. It's a little bit better grade than some of it. It looks like the barn wood style. All the trim in it is wood. The ceiling is actually made out of vinyl. Insulation in it, we have a R15 in the 2x4 walls, R22 in the floor, and R22 in the ceiling. It's got 2x6 rafters in it, so.
I love these windows, and I love the fact that they've got screens already on them, and you can raise them up and flip them out to clean. So
the windows are they are argon filled, so they are low E. Like she said, they do have the screen and everything tilts in to where they can be cleaned. Have one window that's big enough for egress in case, for fire code, in case you had to get out. As far as the kitchen, we have a 9.8 cubic foot refrigerator.
no, that's a perfect size.
It is.
It's a little better than the mini refrigerators. Got the
You said 9.8 cubic feet. You
Yeah.
already said that, didn't you? Okay.
microwave, and then we have a cooktop. And of course the water.
Got a nice faucet and sink.
Got the pull down.
And down here's the water heater. You say it's a 7-gallon, 120 volt unit?
Yes.
And then the plumbing under here, real neat and tidy.
And I do like that faucet. See how that comes down so that you can clean it. That's a good feature.
It is.
All right, we'll walk
Nice
on
looking
through,
little
and I'll let Mr. Judd go.
Let's go on. I'll walk back, and Mr. Judd will follow and answer any questions that we have here. But in the back, he's got a platform for a mattress, a bedroom on the bottom floor right here. And you say this will accommodate a queen or a full. Is that right, Mr. Judd?
Yes. And it can be raised.
Got storage under here.
Store stuff under here if you need to. The heating and cooling unit. We didn't look.
That's 120 volt.
Yeah.
I guess that's
I think it's a 9500 BTU.
okay.
You've got cabinet storage here.
That's nice.
And then also you've got storage overhead here.
I'll try to get a picture of that as good as I could, but it could be used for anything. Mr. Judd said that they're going to get some summer school students in a week or so, and they may put a rail around this. So whoever buys this might actually have a rail around this loft up here.
And it's actually big enough you could lay a mattress up there. Or
Nice big window back here too in the bedroom with the screen. And that air unit's running right now. It's cool back here. It's doing a real good job.
And this is the remote
yeah.
Yeah,
right here in a handy spot for that
Yeah.
air unit. So
it is.
it's a cool 68 degrees.
And it's not cool outside.
Yeah.
And also in that bedroom, you got those flush mount LED lights up here. Real nice feature. Okay, in the bathroom, they got a small vanity right here. With I'll check out the plumbing under here. It's already plumbed. The water and the drain already plumbed. All your plumbing, the drains are in one drain on the outside, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything goes into one 3-inch pipe.
And then it's got into one 3-inch pipe, good. And it's got like a vanity right here. Nice deep. This is probably a foot deep, isn't it? Right here. So a lot of storage right there. That door can either bifold or fold straight out either way. Pretty neat.
And it's got a full-size shower.
A flush commode that's plumbed in right there. Neat plumbing.
Full-size commode.
Yeah, full-size commode and a 36-inch shower. Real nice unit. Nice faucets. And I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. I'm 6'2" barefooted, got boots on right now, so I'm probably standing at 6'3" right now, and there's 2-3 inches over my head, so it's a very roomy shower. It really is.
And the flooring is a vinyl plank flooring, so it is waterproof, water resistant.
Real nice flooring.
And you have that well insulated underneath as well,
Yeah.
don't you?
Yeah, and then the fender wells are insulated.
It's real nice. Shut that door there and give us an idea of the roominess of this living room. Here you got this barn type roof up here, ceiling, real pretty with a nice ceiling fan. It's really roomy in this living room. And that, like I said, that flooring just adds a touch to it, I think, with all the white trim. And the way it's trimmed out on top of white cabinets, really nice color combination in here. Electrical box here looks like a 100-amp service. Let's see, 100-amp service with several different circuits in it that are marked. Alrighty, looks like that's about got the most of the inside.
I think the design of this with that barn style roof really makes it look so much bigger than what you would think that a tiny home would be.
It does, because if you go with a straight slope roof, you're losing all that space over in this corner. And I know that had to be a challenge for those kids cutting these rafters. I was over here when they had this in early construction and saw the cuts on those rafters, and it was amazing what a good job they did on cutting those, all those angles just right. Those are all hand cut rafters in this thing. Looks real good. Good finished product. We got all kinds of drawers down through here in the cabinets also. Plus over there where the water heater was, another small storage on the side. We might not have opened it. We didn't. Right here. Okay, now we're out here on the outside.
The jacks, you can remove them and store them somewhere after you to haul. They are 5,000-pound jacks, so
Really good quality jacks.
plenty
Those
of
are a lot
support.
better than those scissor jacks, aren't they? Because they handle the weight so much better.
you can actually turn them if you want to haul.
Uh-huh.
You wouldn't want to cover the lights up or anything, but and we've got an outside light and outside GFCI receptacle.
Yeah.
Uh,
Just like a house. This is just vinyl siding right here.
yes.
You know
So
the
it's
color of
easy to
that?
keep clean.
I forget right off. We can look here in a minute.
Well, it's a dark clay looking color, isn't it? With a black roof.
Has a black.
I don't know if the camera do it justice, but
Metal
it's a
roof.
black roof.
Over the 2 years, it needs a little washing.
Yeah.
Take care of that.
As in one of the other videos, I talked about the trailers. You know, these trailers are special built for these tiny houses. They have the
See what
the 8-lug wheels, 7,000-pound axles. They're really good, sturdy trailers, and they're built out. The sides are actually built out up under here to accommodate the walls to set out closer to the fenders. You can also see right here is a shutoff valve. This is the water supply line. So basically, you roll this thing in, hook water right here, hook a plumbing line right there, and you're ready to go. It's all plumbed, and the water's all hooked up inside. And you can see there where it's anchored to the sides out here where it's built out on this trailer.
And Danny, we'll give a little shout out to our partner, Philip over at P&J Trailers
Yeah.
in Paintsville, Kentucky, because they've always been really helpful in helping us get the trailers and getting them designed like we
They've
need.
been great. Philip at PJ Trailers. But again, there's a couple extra things that Philip has done for us here, like this. This is a heavy duty tongue right here, or a jack, and the jack's moved close to the front of the tongue. You have to get this special done to do that. I mean, ordered. And also we got the adjustable hitch. He's got the hitch off of it right now, but you can move that hitch up or down. It's got the breakaway kit already installed right there. So these are really good, heavy-duty, well-built trailers that Philip has really gone the extra mile to try to help us make a good trailer to build these tiny houses on. Here's also the outside air unit of the mini split. I'll actually show you I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's actually a 12,000. 12,000 heat, 12,000 cool. So that really ought to do the job in this tiny house. Got the disconnect right here on the wall. And as Tommy said, Mr. Judd there, the jacks, he's got places for jacks on all four corners. And 4 jacks that'll go with it. Really well built home.
So COVID might have slowed us down, but it didn't stop you and your kids from building a fantastic home.
We were gonna get it no matter what.
Got one window on this side, on the driver's side.
That's in the bathroom.
Yeah. And now over on this side, it's kind of close to this building. We can't get a real good view here, but you can still see you've got 3 windows on this side. Trimmed out really nice. Nice color combination on this home.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed the tour of the Lee County tiny home, and contact us because we're really proud of this and the work that Mr. Judd and his students have done. And like we said before, COVID slowed us down but didn't stop us. So thank you. And what do you want to say to these kids?
I just want to thank K-Vic and everybody, and if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a project like this. And if it wasn't for this project, I don't think my classroom would be near what it is. So we want to thank K-Vic and everybody affiliated with them, and hope you all enjoyed this. And I know the kids have enjoyed building it and they've learned a whole lot from it. So hopefully they'll be able to use it down the road.
And we'll just say one more thing, that when this home is sold, that the money comes back to the Lee County Area Technology Center, so that students in the school next year will be able to continue this build and build it forward each year.